Hello everyone. So, not less than 4 months, we are very near for the preliminary examination. Approximately, it is 116 days we have to the day the preliminary examination, which is scheduled on October 4th, Sunday 2020. So, for this prelims 2020, I am going to give you a strategy how to crack the examination within 116, approximately 4 months. 83 days of GS prelims preparation, GS mains preparation, optional preparation, and another 33 days of full-fledged final revision of GS prelims. 83 plus 33, 116 all round. I am coming with a strategy. Please be tuned, follow the strategy. 100% it is going to be a game changer. It is going to change your life by clearing the preliminary examination. So what is the strategy I am going to discuss now? It's a golden opportunity. Those who applied but because of the COVID from March onwards who didn't studied, for them it's a 100% golden opportunity. If I am the aspirant, it will be a golden opportunity to me as well. So use this 4 months properly. Use this 4 months properly and crack this preliminary examination. Don't miss this gold mine. 4 months of strategy. I am coming up with 4 months of strategy. Daily 12 hours of preparation for this 116 days, exactly 116 days, and 4 months approximately. So 116 days, I made it as 4 months. So exactly 116 days of days, daily you have to prepare for 12 hours. 12 hours of preparation, you should make a timetable, and I made a timetable for you. You can follow this. June 10th means tomorrow onwards. June 10th to October 3rd. 116, total 116 days of plan I am going to give. What is this plan? How the plan is going to be? In within 2 minutes, I am going to unfold it. So come on, what is this 116 days plan we will be discussing? So first I divided into 83 days. So first plan is 83 days and the next plan is 33 days. 83 plus 33, 116 days. So in this 83 days, how you need to strategize, how you need to plan, that I am going to explain you. So 83 days from June 10th to August 31st. From June 10th to August 31st means June 10th to June 30th, then July 31st, July 1st to July 31st, then August 1st to August 31st. Overall 83 days, how we need to prepare. How we need to prepare, that I am going to tell you now. Daily schedule. So the daily schedule, follow it. 6 hours. So every day, as I told you, 12 hours of preparation. 6 hours of preparation should be exclusive GS prelims point of view. Why? Because of increased competition. For example, when I was writing in the year 2009, it was only 3 lakhs applications. By 2019, it increased up to 13 lakhs applications. You can understand the competition. So clearing the prelims is also very tough task. So don't neglect prelims. Keep in that 12 hours which I told you, 6 hours exclusively for prelims preparation. So within 12 hours for that 83 days, 6 hours preparation should be prelims preparation. GS prelims preparation. The next 2 hours means 6 plus 2, 2 hours. Answer writing practice for GS mains. So 6 hours which you are reading prelims perspective, select some questions from GS prelims perspective, write answer for it. So properly, obviously mains preparation is also will be happening. So 6 hours of GS prelims preparation means reading part, then another 2 hours just write answer writing practice. Whatever you read, put on the paper or take some questions. In my Telegram channel, I am giving you lot of questions. Daily 1 question, 2 questions I am giving, whereby you can write answers and submit. So take questions from that particular Telegram channel and write answer and submit. People are evaluating, I am evaluating. So daily do GS answer writing practice. So 6 hours for this 83 days, 6 hours of GS prelims preparation, another 2 hours of mains preparation means writing practice. GS mains writing practice do for another 2 hours. So up to now 8 hours has been completed and the next 4 hours will be optional preparation. Do optional preparation. So start optional preparation 4 hours. Properly you do. 3 hours of preparation you do and 1 hour of writing practice for optional also you do. 4 hours of optional preparation, 4 hours of optional strategy. So this 4 hours you have to focus totally on optional for another 83 days. So parallelly you will be doing the optional also. If anyone feels that I am strong on optional, for them I made another thing. 2 hours you prepare for optional and another 2 hours you prepare for ethics. GS4, people, students, aspirants will be neglecting the ethics also. Don't neglect the ethics. So if you feel optional is easy for you, 2 hours to do revision, another 2 hours ethics. If you are doing optional for the first time or if you want to master the optional subject, any optional, then go for 4 hours of optional preparation. So this is from June 10th to August 31st. June 10th, July, August 31st for this 3 days, daily 6 hours of GS prelims preparation, another 2 hours of GS mains answer writing practice, another 4 hours of optional answer writing practice. So 6 plus 2 plus 4 overall it is 12 hours of preparation. So my dear friends, from today onwards, you make yourself a preamble that I am going to prepare for 12 hours. Don't compromise. The exam is very toughest examination. The exam desires hard work. The exam desires sweat. So you have to work for 12 hours. If you follow this strategy, 100% you are going to cross your prelims. Next 33 days. From September 1st to October 3rd. The next 33 days you do full revision. For next 33 days, you do full revision. Whatever you read, GS prelims only. Don't read mains. Exclusive prelims perspective from September 1st to October 3rd. Do only GS prelims perspective and sometime you categorize for CSAT as well. So this 33 days is going to become the crucial days for you. Do revision. Do revision. Don't read any new thing. Do revision what you read earlier. That all things to be needed to be revised in this particular 33 days. So 83 days as I told you, I am going to give you the clear strategy. For next from June 10th to August 31st, in detail I am going to explain you the plan, how you have to do. So for your preparation, I am going to come with free prelims crash course on YouTube by me. So I am going to start crash course absolutely free on YouTube. Daily prelims perspective, what are the most expected questions? I am going to take the classes, free classes, crash course, prelims perspective on this particular platform. So your preparation will be participated, contributed by me. So this is also is part of your daily preparation for the next 83 days. Then with that, 83 days, 10 days of history preparation, 10 days of geography preparation, 10 days of science and technology preparation, 13 days. Why? Because economy needed some more time. 13 days of economy preparation, 10 days of polity preparation, 10 days of art and culture is there. With that you can also do international relations. And another 20 days, 10 plus 10 days, total current affair. So next 83 days, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days, 10 days, you fix it. So you will be having the confidence. Yes, I completed the history, I completed the geography, I completed the science and technology, I completed the economy, I completed the polity, I completed art and culture. In this way, 83 days you have to do. If anything extra is there in the last 10 days, you have to do like disaster management. In science and technology, compulsory this time biotechnology related questions, disease related questions are most probable. Do that. So in this way, the 83 days I am classifying into this, and if you do for first 10 days history, for example, June 10th to June 19th, if you complete history, you will feel very confident. Yes, modern India, ancient India, medieval India, again in the 10 days, art and culture, again art and culture, with that do ancient, with that do medieval India as well. So revision also will be happening. In that fixed 10 days, 10 days, 10 days and do, you will get 100% confidence you will be getting if you do this particular strategy. 83 days, GS static and dynamic part you have to complete. In any cost, you have to complete it. You have to feel urgency. Yes, it is the day I have to complete. Today I have to study. 10 days are there, 9 days are there, 8 days are there, 7 days are there. If you feel quick, no, 100% you will prepare. You start preparing this strategy, 100% is going to work out. Next 33 days from September 1st to October 3rd, what you have to do? So next 33 days GS preparation prelims only. Don't go for mains, don't go for optional, don't go for ethics, nothing. only prelims preparation you have to do. Only prelims preparation you have to do for another 33 days. First, follow for 33 days. As I told you earlier, daily free prelims crash course on YouTube I am going to do. That YouTube, you do revision. You make a note and write down that YouTube classes which I am going to do from tomorrow onwards, crash course, free crash course. Yes. Make a running notes and make revision of this in that particular 33 days. Do 20 to 25 test papers with research orientation. Do papers also in that 33 days. I recommend you to 20 to 25. If you do more also, no problem. It's a good thing. But I recommend you 25 papers. Maximum 25 papers. Minimum 20 papers. Compulsory. Not reading. Research oriented. Each and every question do in detail. Do in research perspective. Go inside. In one question you will get 4 questions. Every option is one of the question. So do in research orientation. You have to complete the total topic, whatever is asked in that particular test paper question. So if you ask me which institute test papers I have to take, it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. You can take as per your wish. I'm not going to indulge in that. So according to your wish, you take any of the institute randomly question paper and do that 25 question papers. Full revision of GS and CSAT. In that 33 days, this is the major objective. CSAT also don't neglect, my dear. CSAT is also, it is also something which is very horrendous in nature. Do CSAT, GS, revision in 33 days and crack the examination. All the best. So, the day October 4th, I mean after 33 days, the 4th day will be the day. The D-Day. October 4th, Sunday, you will be ready with your weapons, you will be ready with the tools, and you go and crack the examination with full-fledged confidence. So subscribe to our channel for free prelims crash course which is going to start from tomorrow. All the best, my dear friends. Thank you.